So this is quickly the asynchronous video for the planner at the end of the day, because I did not include that in the recap. So if you weren't able to fill in your planner, this is what was inside of there, and I'll go through that right now. So we put down for our homework that the students are going to be thinking of a rap or a chant or a song that they can come up with that will show house spirit. Doesn't mean you have to write anything down, it's just thinking about it, because tomorrow they'll have 15 minutes with their houses to decide what kind of spirit cheer, chant, song, or rap they're going to use during our spirit celebration at the end of the day. We did Frindle annotations. Annotation just means writing in the margins of the book, but since we were doing a digital ebook, I showed them how to do comments as annotations. We also worked on a writing list. We did all the things that we could not live without. The students read 3 chapters of the book Frindle by Andrew Clements. There was no spelling words. We will take our spelling words and write them in here for next week so that we can already get a head start since we'll have a 3-day weekend. And then we took notes in math for Unit 1 in 5th grade and actually Unit 2 for 6th grade. We also talked about our STEM challenge and took some notes to get some ideas, and our classmates talked about ideas out loud about how we could complete the STEM challenge. We did run out of time for Habit 3, but we wrote it down. So I will post a video of the Habit 3 read aloud that I was going to do with the students. They can watch it either today or tomorrow or at another time, but I did want them to see that video of Habit 3. So that is very quickly the video of the planner so that you can rewatch it and pause it if you need to so you can catch up. Remember, we've been writing in our planner every single day this week so that we can stay on top of what we're doing and we can communicate with our families what we're learning inside of the classroom. Thank you for watching.